Welcome to Jen Bell Yoga. I'm Jen. In this video, we're going to move through some mindful breathing. There are many benefits and reasons to do mindful breathing. I'll put a link in the caption below to the blog post that explains all of that. You can do this practice anywhere, but I recommend having a seat in your favorite chair, lying down in your bed, or on the floor. Start by getting comfortable. You maybe shift the body side to side or wiggle the hips. If it feels comfortable, you can take a few shoulder circles, drawing the shoulders down back. Think about lengthening the crown of the head away from the tailbone, which might involve tucking the chin a little bit. And feel free to soften or close the eyes. And bring your awareness to your body breathing. Noticing the air as it moves in through the nose and out through the nose. Notice what areas expand as you breathe in, what contract as you breathe out. If you would like, place your hands on your abdomen, noticing the belly rise as you breathe in, and belly fall back down as you breathe out. As you breathe in, notice the hips begin to soften. The shoulders relax. The muscles of the face begin to release. Continue watching that breath as it moves in and as it moves out. Noticing the places where the breath goes. Noticing the path it takes as it leaves. Without forcing, without judgment. Trying to expand the breath just a little as you breathe in. And having the exhale match that new expansion of the inhale. Trying to keep this breath soft, yet long. Take a few more breaths. Taking a moment to just pause, notice how you feel. Without judgment, just through observation. I encourage everybody to do 1 to 2 minutes of mindful breathing every day. For the average person, that's about 12 to 20 breaths. You can either set a timer for 1 or 2 minutes, or you can just count your breaths. And as I mentioned before, the reasons and benefits to mindful breathing are in the blog post in the caption below. If you liked this practice, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more practices similar to this. See you soon.